Hellcat.
So we started just back on another video. You already know the vibes. Welcome back to my channel. So yeah, as you can see, today we're gonna be doing a bike check. As you can see. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button so you don't miss any videos. And yeah, let's get right to it. And just in case, guys, he gets shy when when they recording him. So
Today
yeah.
we're gonna be doing a bike check on Justin's channel, Straight Up Justin. I'm gonna leave my Instagram right here, and let's get right to it. Okay, so first thing I bought for the bike was Maxxis tires, which were $40 for each. There was $80 for both, and then I bought the spoke skins, which are $12 a bag. And the next thing I bought was the chain, which was $15. Then I bought Cool Stops, which were $20. And I bought a new seat clamp because my old one, like the bolt got stripped. Then I bought a seat, brand new. It's old now, but I paid $40 for it. And I bought pegs for it, which were $20. Those are beast mode pegs. And I bought ODI grips. And then I bought an Avid brake lever, which were $20. Oh yeah, and the ODI grips were $18. And then I just bought this little grip thingy, which was like $2. And that's really it.
And what about the cable line? You bought the cable line or no?
Oh yeah, cable, brake cable, which was what, $15, and then I got my brakes adjusted, which were another $10. So that's really it. Justin.
So yeah, we're gonna be doing my bike check. So yeah, and just in case, I'm gonna put my my Instagram right here. So yeah, let's get right into it. So yeah, let's start with the spokins. So the spokins actually cost $12. Just the same as his. We bought it at the same bike shop. 12 and 12. So yeah, I bought the grip thingy that it cost like $2 or $3. Then I bought what else? The brake lever. I bought it. It cost
It came with the brake line because I helped them order it.
Yeah, like it cost like 70.
Hell no, it cost like 100.
Almost 100.
Yeah.
Then
The hydros.
The hydros. What else? What else?
The grips.
Oh yeah, the grips. ODI grips. It costs
18.
18. Yeah. And on this bike, this whole bike that I bought, about the pieces, he actually helped me with almost everything, because I didn't know how to order and stuff. So yeah, and basically I didn't put much into it. And then I'm gonna buy SCC later. I'm probably gonna buy SCC. I'm gonna show you guys when I buy it.
I think I know which one you're talking about. That SoCal one you were talking about?
Yeah, the black one.
Yeah. We'll just paint the yellow words black.
Yeah. So stay tuned to that. And yeah, that's basically it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, hit that bell button so you don't miss any videos. And yeah, I'll see you.
Mama, she was praying. I was on that block, really put in 20 years of work, but then I got